Okay guys, ever wanted a way to build serious credibility by showcasing the brands you've worked with? Well, this section makes that feel genuinely premium. Today we're adding this feature tab section to your store, so let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link, this takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here you can install any app based on your needs. Right now we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Feature Tabs number 1. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Client Reviews and choose that section. It'll be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. First, there are 3 different layout options here. You can use any one you like. Let's scroll down and I'll change the fallback background color to white and the overlay background color to black. Below that is opacity and active tab color, and there are a few more text settings too, though I won't need to touch those. Lastly, you'll find all the button related settings, which I'll adjust based on my own preference. Now let's click on any tab, and here I'll first add a company logo, one I've worked with. I don't have real client logos ready right now, so I'll just add a few reference company names and logos here to show you how it works. You can also add a background image here if you'd like, along with the description and the rest of the details, filling everything out the same way. And most importantly, don't forget to add the link. I'll add that here too, whether it's a link to a specific page or a reference website. I'll go ahead and prepare all 3 tabs this same way, one by one. Once you're done with all that, hit save and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.